Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will troubleshoot the issue Windows Hello Pin is grey out and you are not able to change it. Okay, so first, in order to resolve this issue, go to Start menu, then click on Setting icon here. Click on that. Once you click on Setting, click on Accounts options, and on the left side, click on Sign in options. Okay, from here you need to look for Windows Hello Pin. This option I'm talking about, Windows Hello Pin. And if it is gray out for removing, what you need to do is you need to just click on this option, I forgot my pin. Okay, click on this option, I forgot my pin, and then you need to type here the password of your laptop, this user. Okay, this should be admin user, or you can try as well. So I'm typing the password here and click on OK. Okay, once you click on OK, provide here the new pin like this, 123 123, and you can also include the symbols here as well. So let's say 123 at the rate 123 at the rate, like this. Click on OK. Okay, and now you are good to go. Your issue will be fixed, and if you want to remove it, now you can remove or add it. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.